And there's breaking news that's coming in. Saif Ali Khan's house help has now filed a police complaint. The police complaint by Saif Ali Khan's house help is against unidentified intruder, and she's filed it for trespassing and also attempt to murder. The big breaking news coming in that a complaint for trespassing and attempt to murder has been filed by Saif Ali Khan's house help. And after actor was stabbed 6 times, 2 deep wounds. The doctors now say he's continuing to be in the ICU. Saif Ali Khan's house help files a police complaint against the unidentified intruder for trespassing. Let's also first listen in to a reaction coming in from the Maharashtra Chief Minister.
के बारे में पुलिस ने आपको सारी जानकारी दी हुई है। ये किस प्रकार का हमला है, इसके पीछे क्या है, किस प्रकार की मंशा से ये हुआ, ये सारी चीजें आपके सामने आ चुकी हैं। के बारे में पुलिस ने आपको सारी जानकारी दी हुई है। ये किस प्रकार का हमला है, इसके पीछे क्या है, किस प्रकार की मंशा से ये हुआ, ये सारी चीजें आपके सामने आ चुकी हैं। के बारे में पुलिस ने आपको
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis reacted to this incident and has also assured strict action that will be taken. I'm going to go across to our reporters in a multi-window who are joining us. Sandeep is joining us from the actor's house. Meenakshi is live from the Bandra police station, and Satya Prakash is live from Lilavati Hospital. And also let me go across first and give you reactions of the neighbor of Saif. And also political reactions that are coming in. Supriya Sule, who's also spoken up about it. Listen in.
बहुत चिंताजनक जो अटैक हुआ है कि घर पे जो हमला हुआ है, उनका बच्चा वहाँ उस रूम में सोया हुआ था, तो बहुत फैमिली तो घबराई हुई है। और सैफ अली खान जी ने खुद को डिफेंड, अपने बच्चे को डिफेंड करने के लिए उन्होंने जो किया, उसके ऊपर उनको बहुत स्टिचेस भी आए, वो अस्पताल में अभी है, लेकिन गुड हेल्थ। और ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट उनके फैमिली से भी उनके हेल्थ के बारे में आ चुके हैं। मैंने मुंबई के कमिश्नर से भी बात की, वहाँ के लोकल पुलिस से भी बात की, और उन्होंने कहा है कि मुझे कि कल जब इंसिडेंट हुआ उसके बाद से वहाँ पुलिस पूरी लगी हुई है मुंबई की, और जो इसमें गलत अगर किया हो, जिसने अटैक किया हो, तो जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाएगा, और उस फैमिली की सिक्योरिटी की जिम्मेदारी ये मुंबई पुलिस की है।
And let me go across to Meenakshi, who's joining us live from the actor's house, or I beg your pardon, yes, from the actor's residence. Meenakshi, this is where the attack took place. Now CCTV footage of the neighboring areas has been found. What more details has the police uncovered? What are they thinking this is?
Yes, let me show you first the visuals from here. Police came here. Saif Ali Khan's building shared same compound wall with that building, and that building's owner, Mr. Fernandez, he said to Republic TV exclusively, he stays in that building from 1949, but it's a concern that that place is so much of security, tightened security, how that person entered in this building, and he was saying that that person might have entered from his building also, and he jumped from his building's wall to Saif Ali Khan's building wall, and after that, as police said, that person used stairs and went to Saif Ali Khan's room also. So it's a concern of security, because here is so many buildings and all are high-rises building here, and police believe primarily that unidentified person entered the house with an intent of robbery. However, nothing was stolen from the house. That person entered Saif Ali Khan's house using the stairs, and that maid was there, leading to an argument. During this time, Saif Ali Khan came forward and that person attacked him, and the person did not enter the house with the intention of attacking Saif Ali Khan. As police police said. But now we are showing you the visuals. That building is Saif Ali Khan's building, left side, and the right side building is the other Fernandez building.
Meenakshi,
And they
I
are
will
sharing.
interrupt you only for a minute because we now have the reaction that you have. You spoke to the neighbor of Saif Ali Khan. Viewers, let's listen into that exclusive reaction as well.
How it happened actually, so tightened security is there.
It is surprising, really surprising. If you have so much security and still something happens, God forbid, I don't know. Okay.
So are you shocked?
Not shocked, means it is lapse on the security only. Na? It is a shocking news for all of us in Bandra. This is the third incident now.
And how
Khan first, then Baba Siddiqui, and this is all three in Bandra only.
so you are staying here from long years?
59. 1959.
You saw Saif Ali Khan yesterday?
No, I didn't see him.
How the night security arrangement is here?
No, see, in the night there is no problem. As of now, there is no problem. We don't face any problem.
Meenakshi, you also tried to speak to the neighbor there. What is the sense you are picking up? Yes, we know the police has begun its investigation. There's the house help who's filed a police complaint now. But the hospital authorities have also said as Saif continues to be in the ICU, there are 6 stabs. Viewers, I want to also go across to breaking news. The Mumbai police is to record Saif Ali Khan's statement. Saif is under treatment and the police shall be recording his statement. So with the doctor's permission, the police will record Saif Ali Khan's statement. This will be at Lilavati Hospital. He continues to be at the ICU. The Bandra police, breaking news coming in, are going to be recording Saif Ali Khan's statement shortly. They've got certain versions from the others who were present at the spot after the doctor says and gives his permission. The Bandra police is going to be recording Saif Ali Khan, actor who's been stabbed 6 times, at around 3 a.m. statement. And let me once again go back to Meenakshi. Meenakshi, we saw that this incident took place in the early hours of the morning, after which Kareena Kapoor has also and with her sister reached the Lilavati hospital. We're now being told that the actor's statement shall be taken. The doctor's permission has been given. The Bandra police will record it. What details do you have?
Yes, Saif Ali Khan is now out of danger. That doctors are saying about Saif Ali Khan's health. He is still in ICU but out of danger, and now they are allowing police to record his statement, and police will record his statement in a short while. And the family members are there. Kareena, Saif Ali Khan's son Ibrahim, and Sara Ali Khan are also there in Lilavati Hospital, and it's a case of robbery. Police preliminary say to us that it's a case of robbery. There is no intent to harm Saif Ali Khan and his family, but there are so many questions arising about the security of this building, and neighbors are saying there's a lapse of security. It's a crystal clear picture that security was not there, not tightened there, lapse of security. What I am showing you now, that the buildings visuals, I was already I spoke to that neighbor, Mr. Fernandez, and he said he is sharing same compound wall with Saif Ali Khan's building, and there is a concern of security. He was saying that he is staying in that place from 1959, but there were no such incident happened. How that person entered into this building? It's a high tight security building. And police also are saying that there was no forced entry. It's important from the police side that there was not forced entry. It's a it's a hidden entry in Saif Ali Khan's house, and initially police believed that unidentified person entered house with using stairs, and police said that there is nothing stolen from that house, and Saif Ali Khan's maid saw that person first, leading to an argument, and during this time Saif Ali Khan came forward and that person attacked him. 6 times that person attacked him, and the injury is
All right. Meenakshi,
deep.
for just a minute, as we stay with those visuals, and we also go back to Satya Prakash. He's joining us from the Leelavati Hospital. We just heard Meenakshi Satya Prakash giving us details. आपने अपने लोगों से बात की है वहाँ पे. डॉक्टर्स बहुत ही क्लियर हैं कि he's out of danger. What is the treatment and how is Saif Ali Khan right now? And also, the Bandra police gets it a nod from the doctors in Bandra that they can record his statement.
देखिए, डॉक्टरों की निगरानी में सैफ अली खान है और डॉक्टरों का कहना है कि आज उनको आईसीयू में रखा जाएगा और कल उनको ऑब्जर्व किया जाएगा, देखा जाएगा कि उनकी स्थिति कैसी है। मैं तस्वीरें दिखा रहा हूँ, लीलावती हॉस्पिटल की तस्वीरें दिखा रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे लीलावती हॉस्पिटल के तीसरे जो फ्लोर है उसी में जो आईसीयू वार्ड है उसमें सैफ अली खान मौजूद है और उनका डॉक्टरों की निगरानी में उनका इलाज चल रहा है। जो उनका सर्जरी था पूरी तरह से सफल हुआ है और जो घाव थे दो जख्म हैं जो कि काफ़ी गहरे थे, उसका कहीं सर्जरी हो चुका है और जो चाकू का जो था छोटा टुकड़ा उनसे निकाला गया है। तो फिलहाल सर्जरी सफल रहा है, डॉक्टर का कहना है। और आज जो है डॉक्टरों की निगरानी में सैफ अली खान है, आईसीयू में है और डॉक्टर लगातार देख रेख कर रहे हैं। आज डॉक्टर देर रात तक देखेंगे कि सैफ अली खान की स्थिति क्या है, उसके बाद कल डिसीजन लेंगे कि उनको दूसरे वार्ड में रखना है या फिर आईसीयू में रखना है। फिलहाल मुंबई पुलिस की बात करें तो मुंबई पुलिस सैफ अली खान का स्टेटमेंट दर्ज करेगी, लेकिन डॉक्टर जब तक नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक, क्योंकि डॉक्टर का कहना है कि सैफ अली खान अभी भी आईसीयू में है और अभी फिलहाल जो है घाव जो जख्म है, जो इंजरी है वो कहीं न कहीं अभी ताज़ा है, तो इसलिए अभी वो उनका बयान नहीं दर्ज कर सकते हैं। तो हो सकता है कि देर शाम तक अगर सैफ अली खान की स्थिति ठीक रही तो मुंबई पुलिस उनका स्टेटमेंट दर्ज करेगी, क्योंकि जो चोर घुसा था, जो अज्ञात शख्स घुसा था, पहले मेड से हाथापाई हुई, इसके बाद सैफ अली खान पे अटैक किया और उनके काफ़ी देर तक हाथापाई चलती रही। तो कहीं न कहीं मुंबई पुलिस इंतजार कर रही है कि डॉक्टरों का कि कब डॉक्टर कहें कि सैफ अली खान का स्टेटमेंट दर्ज किया जाए। वहीं मुंबई पुलिस की 10 टीमें अलग अलग लोकेशन पर निकली है जहां पर आरोपी को पकड़ने के लिए निकली है और मुंबई पुलिस ने आरोपी की पहचान कर लिया है। ये भी जानकारी आ रही है कि जो आरोपी का लोकेशन उसको भी ट्रेस कर लिया गया है। तो कहीं न कहीं मुंबई पुलिस का कहना है कि जल्द से जल्द आरोपी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा। जी
ठीक है, we'll come back to you. Just stay on with us, Satya Prakash. We're also going across right now to a reaction that my colleague Meenakshi took. She spoke to Saif Ali Khan's neighbor. Listen in.
How it happened actually, so tightened security is there.
It is surprising, really surprising. If you have so much security and still something happens, God forbid, I don't know. Okay.
So are you shocked?
Not shocked, means it is lapse on the security only, na? It is a shocking news for all of us in Bandra. This is the third incident now.
And how
Khan first, then Baba Siddiqui, and this thing, all three in Bandra only.
so you are staying here from long years?
59. 1959.
You saw Saif Ali Khan yesterday?
No, I didn't see him.
How the night security arrangement is here?
No, in the night there is no problem. As of now, there is no problem. We don't face any problem.
Lots of questions now being asked, Meenakshi. Some like, did someone facilitate the entry? How did he enter? Was this a robbery bid or something more?
Yes, you are absolutely right. There is a lots of question because it's a high tightened security zone. There are lots of high-rise building here. Celebrities are staying here, and let me show you the visuals because I am now at Saif Ali Khan's neighbor's place. It's same compound that Saif Ali Khan shared with his neighbor, and the police came here to investigate how the person entered Saif Saif Ali Khan's building. Is that person choose this place to jump Saif Ali Khan's building, or climb the wall and he jumped to Saif Ali Khan's building, and after that he took the fire exit place and he using stairs to go to Saif Ali Khan's place. And see Neeraj, take that visuals that they are sharing same compound wall. They are same compound wall. Police came here to investigate how that person entered that place, because police is saying from the beginning that person entered the place, and it's this entry is hidden entry. This person is not forced entry. And the neighbor spoke to Republic TV exclusively, and he said that person might have been entered from his wall. So that's the important thing. There are lots of questions here. How that person entered? Is there any plan for this incident? And the other hand, there is a question about robbery. Is that person intent for robbery, or another intent is that? How did that enter if usual security was in place? And you can see police persons are here and they are now investigating. This is the I think this is the parking place. Police is going inside the parking place, and they are investigating if there is any chance to enter from the parking place also.
All right, and this is the top focus, viewers. We'll continue coming back to, as actor Saif Ali Khan has been stabbed. Several questions on how did the attacker reach there? How did he move out? Was it an inside job? Thank you, Meenakshi. Actor Saif Ali Khan stabbed 6 times, and viewers, even as we're going to stay with that news, we're also asking questions about, was there only one attacker involved? How did the attacker reach up? 3 staff members work at Saif's residence. They have been detained by the Mumbai police. Sources say 2 suspects were seen in the CCTV footage, and search is on for both of them. But the big question, how did the actor escape? All right. And the breaking news as we continue to stay with this news.